How to clean the printhead with the cleaning agent. Remove the printhead and ink cartridge from the inside of printer as the picture shows. Prepared tools: a syringe with tubing. Clean out fluid for printer S nozzle. Petri dishes. 1. Wash printhead with syringe. Suck up some cleaning agents with the syringe and clean the printhead with the tube until colored liquid dropping to the wear. 2. Dip the printhead in clean-out fluid. Pour some clean-out fluid into the Petri dishes and dip the printhead in it. Take the printhead out after one night immersion. Kindly reminder: if the print quality is still unsatisfactory after the methods above, it is recommended to replace it with a new printhead.